You can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Ashimary Hair once more. Let's get into today's package. Alright, so we have the wig, which I'm gonna get into. I also got another robe. Oh my gosh, once you buy them, they're going to send a robe, okay? Then, is it another robe that I got? Yo, Ashimary is so generous. What? And everything is branded Ashimary. Okay, let's see what else we got. Pair of lashes. They sent a razor, which is great to cut off the excess lace off your wigs. Got an edge brush and comb as well. A branded elastic band. So yeah, that's how that looks. And yeah, that's everything in the bag today. They sent really nice goodies. I love that. Today's wig that we're working with is like a reddish brown wig. Oh my gosh, this is a 13 by 6 full-on lace front, guys. This is how the inside looks. It has a total of 3 combs inside the cap and adjustable straps in the back. It's tagged and branded. It says Ashimary, and it's body wave, as you can see. Came with the curls and everything. I love how detailed everything is. The hair feels soft. It's 26 inches long, by the way, you know, when stretched. It's very nice and full. I love that. I love the feel of it. These curls look so pretty. I know that I will have to like go through this. Like, it's so nice, guys. The construction is really nice, and this color is perfect for fall. Oh my gosh, you see me in my orange? Yes, giving pumpkin spice. So yeah, I'm so excited to go ahead and get into this hair look today, guys. I'm gonna get real cute. Love the way the hairline is set up. You know, it's lightly pre-plucked, so you don't really have to go in, and I'm not gonna do anything further. Guys, you see the way these curls are falling already? I am so pleased. So I'm only gonna do like a layer and a half of glue, because you know, it's just a quick little install. You know, go on a quick little date to get my lace big on glue. So I'm just gonna speed through this portion.
You can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
All I'm gonna do is just go ahead and cut away the excess lace, and then I'll just allow it to melt down somewhere, and then I'll finesse it. I'm gonna do a nice natural glam. Yeah, so it's looking good so far. It's looking real good. I'm loving the color. It looks really good. I can't lie. I love the way they did the hairline. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some wax on the very front to pull away, like just kind of tame that area with my hot comb. I think I want to do like light. You really don't have to, because this hairline is so nice. It's a really nice realistic hairline. So guys, so as I said, very nice, subtle, natural beat. I did a little bit more than I usually would. Whenever you guys may get like my super natural glam, like when I do that, I don't know foundation or nothing like that, but just a little bit extra. Nothing serious. This is the hair, like how it looks straight out of the package. I never have to recurl anything. Like, it looks so good. I really want to keep the voluminous vibe of it going, so I'm gonna just take my time with unraveling these curls. I'm just using my fingers to, you know, kind of just like comb it through, but I really want to maintain how the curls look. So once I kind of like play around with the curls, you can definitely see the length of the hair. As I said, because it's curly, you know how it is. It's when it's stretched that you can truly see the length. The density feels good too. It's not heavy, but it's nice and full. We don't need our hair looking limp or feeling dead. So yeah, this is full of life. And there is shedding. Okay, bear in mind this is also on the coarser side, because it's processed hair. Once the hair is colored, you know for sure it's processed. Okay, so bear that in mind as well. I am getting shedding, and I feel like even though I'm just using my fingers to kind of finger comb it, the curls are bouncing back like it's full of life, you know. Yeah, like the form these curls good straight out of a packaging. The fact that I didn't have to go in and recurl anything, yeah, this is doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm very pleased with Ashimary's wig. But yeah, this is it for the install, guys. It is nice and realistic. I didn't even fully like form my sideburns. I kind of just want that, like, you know, undone vibe. I just did light swoops. You don't have to do it, okay? You really don't. And the hair is doing what it's supposed to do. I'm pleased. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think. Of course, you know I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so go ahead, check that out, as well as all the specifications will be listed. If there's any deals going on, that will be down there. Shout out to Ashimary for another bob look. Yeah, if you guys are feeling this, go ahead, give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. You know I constantly bring you different wig looks and stuff, so stay tuned. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Insert.